They can see in 2 directions at once, fire their tongues faster than a blink of an eye, and shift their skin in ways that just seem completely impossible. You might think this creature only exists in science fiction, but these powers are real. Meet the chameleon, the most alien creature on Earth. Today, we're breaking down the real science behind these superpowers. From their mind-bending vision, to their lightning-fast tongue, to even their color-changing abilities and the way they communicate and survive. Let's dive into the secret world of these interesting and fascinating creatures we call chameleons. Hi, my name is Sam from SnakesonSam, and come along with me today. Let's discover this unique and fascinating world of this interesting reptile. Let's start with their eyes, because chameleons just don't see the world. They analyze it. Each eye moves independently and is able to rotate 180 degrees vertically and horizontally, giving them a 360-degree view that is basically like a built-in security system, letting them spot predators and prey super easy. While most animals need both eyes to be locked on the same thing, chameleons can use one eye to scan the treetops and the others to lock in on the insect that they're ready to eat. But when it's time to strike, both eyes synchronize instantly, focusing on their target with laser precision. Their eyes just don't move differently. They have telescopic vision that allows them to judge distance perfectly. It's like having 2 cameras that are filming the same scene but differently. They can combine both scenes, zoom in, and then snatch that little insect right up. For a slow-moving reptile like the chameleon, that kind of vision is the ultimate hunting advantage. Of course, incredible eyesight is only half the story, because when a chameleon spots its next meal, it doesn't chase, it launches an attack. And I mean, it launches. Hidden inside its mouth is a collagen-powered catapult, a tongue that can fire over 13 miles per hour and stretch nearly twice its body length. It's one of the fastest movements in the animal kingdom, reaching its target in less than 1/20th of a second. The tongue's tip forms a sticky suction cup that grabs the insect with pinpoint accuracy, pulling it back often before the insect even realizes what happened. Scientists have realized that this tongue works like a loaded spring. Energy builds as the muscles coil up and then releases it, all for that perfect shot. It's so efficient that chameleons can strike accurately even when their body temperatures are low, a rare skill for a cold-blooded animal. In the forest canopy, this makes them stealthy snipers, catching food without even needing to move. But let's clear up the biggest myth of all. I bet you've heard that chameleons can change colors to camouflage into background. That's just not true. Chameleons don't shift their colors to match every leaf or branch. Instead, they change how bright or bold their natural colors appear based on their mood, social signals, and temperature. When a chameleon is feeling relaxed or calm, they have a muted tone to blend into their natural environment. But when they're angry, excited, asserting dominance, even trying to find a mate, they explode into blues, greens, yellows, a mood ring of colors. These changes are powered by special skin cells called iridophores. Inside those cells are nanocrystals that reflect light. By adjusting the spacing of those crystals, the chameleon controls the wavelength of light that bounces off its skin. I know, it feels like magic, but it's physics. The result? A living mood ring that speaks in color. So when a male chameleon lights up in all these crazy colors, they're not trying to hide from you, because first off, that's a terrible tactic. But they're just trying to say, get away from my branch, leave me alone, or hey girl, what's up? Their colors are their language, and once you know what to look for, you can see their emotions written on their skin. Chameleons just don't look like aliens, they move like them too. Their zygodactyl feet act like clamps, locking into tree branches for a secure hold. Add in that prehensile tail that works like a 5th limb, and you've got a reptile that is built for the trees. They rarely rush. Instead, they move with a hypnotic, gentle sway, mimicking the movement of leaves in a tree. That slow rhythm is not laziness. It's camouflage in motion, helping them avoid attention while they watch and wait. It's a survival strategy that has worked for millions of years. Today, scientists recognize over 200 species of chameleons, with most diversity found on my favorite island, Madagascar. Some, like the Parsons chameleon, can grow nearly 2 feet in length, while others, like the Brookesia micra, can fit on the end of a pencil. Their colors, shapes, and sizes all vary dramatically, but their core design, their ballistic tongue, their independent eyes, and their gripping tail all remain remarkably consistent. They've been evolving for tens of millions of years, adapting to forest canopies, desert scrublands, and mountain slopes. Proof that these strange, otherworldly reptiles are perfectly built for this plant that they call home. From eyes that see nearly everything, to a tongue that strikes faster than thought, to even their colors that reveal their emotions and moods, chameleons remind us that this earth is full of creatures so strange and so diverse that it feels like they could have come from different planets. Which of these superpowers impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And also join me along for the next amazing reptile story. The world of reptiles and exotics is full of surprises and waiting to be uncovered. Until next time, stay wild and stay curious, my friends.